Today we're gonna give y'all a couple of tips and things to look for if you ever have an issue with your coffee machine not heating up. So we got a machine at a location right now at the junkyard, and we have a coffee machine, a National 673 coffee machine, and the issue right now is it's not heating up. So today we are going to go in with the change of two parts. We're going to go in and change out the traic piece, and that is the circuit board to turn on and off the heating element. And we're going to also go in there and change out the heating element. So if you guys have any issues with your coffee machine not heating up, it 9 times out of 10 could be one of the two issues. So we're going to show y'all how y'all can get that taken care of and get your coffee machine back out there in the field.
I'll be in here making it rain. You ain't taking shit. You ain't doing nothing.
Make it rain on them. Ah, Jose, my boy, how you been? So that traic piece we're about to replace, you can see is located just below the motherboard. So I didn't come and feel it. When I came in here,
slacking, man, you're slacking.
When I came in here, the power wasn't even running. Ooh.
I haven't been up here, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, they just got the power back running, I see. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this coffee machine there. went to load it yesterday, but I was like, it ain't even on, so I don't know when they, and then Chico was saying he was gonna have somebody come in and check the outlets. So I didn't know when they was gonna have it back busting. Look at Lexi, appreciate everything. I'm about to eat these ones.
Lexi!
What's up? Yeah. So this is the traic piece we're about to replace, held in by 2 flathead screws. Yeah, it's getting cold. Yeah, it's getting cold out. I wanted some coffee. I was like, man. How's scale fun out there?
Yeah, it's all right.
I never. Oh yeah.
Actually, it's not been that bad.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. And we're gonna speed this up a little bit for time's sake. Realizing I put the piece in backwards, I'm gonna actually have to stop and switch that around. So once you have that traic tightly secured, you're going to want to drain any existing water in your water tank and allow it to refill up so you can see if that water heater is now turning on. Under your product canisters, you will find a 3-piece connector connecting 3 hoses to it. You're going to want to locate the hose that's running from under the water tank and unscrew the C-clamp that's on it, and that will allow the water tank to drain. You're gonna need a couple buckets. If you're using your trash pail, it'll roughly fill that up about 3.5 times, but you'll tank filling up. So now once your tank is fully drained, you're going to want to turn on the machine, and as long as there's no errors, it's going to instantly start filling up your water tank. Or you might have to go into the test column and actually start filling it, but your water tank should start filling. At that point, you want to go check on your hose, make sure ain't no leaks or nothing coming out of it.
But it's like 160
just give it about
PSI, so this
roughly about 15 minutes to fill the entire water tank. So after changing the traic piece, we actually noticed after filling up the machine, filling up the water tank, we actually noticed that it still would not heat up. So we had to drain the water tank again and actually take out the heating element. Once we were able to do that, this is what we discovered.
So this where we end up being the problem, man. A hole in the freaking heating element. I don't even know how that occurred. Like it was riding up here. Either way, long story short, we need to change that for sure. That's definitely why the machine ain't heating up.
I had to come see if we have the part.
I'm gonna go get the new heating element, man. See the cats back out working. The cats doing their thing. We're gonna go get this new heating element though and come back and put that heating element in for y'all. We letting the machine fill up again. You can hear the water filling up in the tank. I'm waiting until that fills up. Filling. Gotta wait until that get full. So finally the tank is full. The temperature starting to rise. The period behind the F meaning the heater on. I thought I was gonna see a spark over here, but I didn't. So we're gonna keep an eye on this for a second, make sure that's rising. You see it's on 61, so we'll pause it. When it reached 180 degrees temp, it's ready to start vending. Let's see. So I'm gonna put my coffee. Get your cup up in that little cup holder spot. It's done. It's ready now. Test.
Starting to get just in time.
Right, just getting cold outside, yeah. Is it all supposed to be cold tomorrow?
It's supposed to snow tomorrow.
It's supposed to snow? Oh yeah, y'all ready then. Y'all on point. Oh man. Check it out. He busting now. That's that hot chocolate right there.